Appending to an empty data frame in Pandas. Is it possible to append to an empty data frame that doesn't contain any indices or columns? I have tried to do this, but keep getting an empty data frame at the end. For example, the result looks like this.
The answers are very useful, but since pandas.dataframe.append was deprecated, as already mentioned by various users, and the answers using pandas.concat are not runnable code snippets, I would like to add the following snippet. So df is now.
This should work. Since the append doesn't happen in place, so you'll have to store the output if you want it.
And if you want to add a row, you can use a dictionary, which gives you
You can concat the data in this way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.